let's get into our Whissel widget of the week. This is something that we use in our business, saves us time, makes us more money, helps us have more fun. Would you like to go first or would you like me to?
Oh, you go ahead.
Uh-oh.
I'll go first.
Okay. I forgot which one
Okay,
was.
well, keeping it to the authentic theme, there's lots of cool things I use for work, but one that is a little bit more unique in my style is called Insight Timer. So Insight Timer is a meditation app, and I have heard to do meditation so many times throughout the years, and I'm a high D, high go Energizer bunny, so it's very hard for me to sit still. So the app has all this background noises. It has beautiful sounds, nature sounds, even has like visualization that it can take you through like somebody talking instead of just meditation. But literally it's a timer, and I am like a child. I need a timer to tell me how long I have to do something. So it's 5 minutes in the morning, like minimum, and it completely changes my day. So if you have ever wanted to try it, give it a go, or at night before you go to sleep, because as real estate agents, we can kind of lose our minds, and we're not here to lose sleep. Like nobody's going to die. I tell myself that. It's not heart surgery. It is homes. It's important, but like our mental health is important too. So check that app out.
What's it called again?
Insight Timer.
I love that.
Yeah.
Mine is going to be a widget. It's going to be a system. Again, this is free. You don't have to download or pay anything. You just have to write some stuff out. And this goes back to what we were talking about earlier about being busy but not productive. And this also goes back to another podcast we did with Meyer talking about leverage. And Kyle has done this before, but I want to make sure it was a good exercise now. It's called the red light, green light exercise.
Oh.
So what you're going to do is throughout the course of a week, write down all the things you do. All the things you do. You know, I scheduled a showing. I went on an appointment. I picked up my dry cleaning. All the things that you do, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to take a highlighter and you're going to take a green highlighter and highlight all the things you love to do. Oh, I loved, I did a PTA meeting for my kid. I didn't, but
Yeah.
I love that.
Uh-huh.
Keep it. All the things that you hate. Oh, I wish I never had to do this again. Highlight that in red.
Okay.
Red, red, red. And that way, what you should be doing, one, it helps you kind of structure, hey, these are the things that I love doing. It's going to fill my cup. It's going to build my mental health.
Yes.
Cool. The red light stuff is things that you're going to offload, either to a virtual assistant, a real assistant, your lender, your title, your escrow, a buyer's assistant, your kids. I hate putting out my signs. Have your kids do it, like whatever it is. So that way you can enjoy your work better and really focus on doing what you love doing and also what brings you the most. If you hate lead generating, you might still have to do it. That's not something you can offboard. But what's great then is as you offload all the red stuff, when you hire an assistant, when you're ready to hire an assistant, that's their job.
You have that already.
Do all the shit I hate.
That's really genius.
And and maybe you're not there yet, but maybe you can piece by piece. Maybe it's on your to-do list. Make sure I offload one thing of my red light for each week. And again, how you do that is how you do that. Maybe you use TaskRabbit, whatever. Yeah. But that's an exercise to help you love your job more.
That's cool.
Red light, green light.
That adds more freedom. I'm going to add that to my
Excellent.
world.
Jen, thank you so much for coming on. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
We will see you next week.
Thanks, Coachy. Bye.
You're welcome.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.